show me your notebook on this online classes only. Okay, in online classes only I'll ask you to show your notebook page wise page by putting on camera, so that I can come to know whether you have completed your work or not. Okay, so try to complete in this work your all the work pending work up to here. यहाँ तक जितना भी काम हो चुका है, whatever lesson except this lesson, these 3 lesson total and 1 point that must be completed. वो complete होना चाहिए, and rest I think tenses part and all that is to be also completed. Yes, we are not afraid to die if you all can be together. That is the chapter. Now we will start introduction part was over. It was on July 1976. 1976 July में my wife Mary, son Jonathan and daughter Sujane. जो son Jonathan 6 years, daughter Sujane 7 years, and I set out for the Plymouth, England. Plymouth की तरफ मतलब उन्होंने they set their journey, they started their journey. उन्होंने अपनी journey start की. England to duplicate the route, to repeat the same path. They wanted to repeat the same path which was once done by Captain James Cook. James Cook ने जो भी रूट किया था to for the world tour through sea के द्वारा जो भी world tour किया था, they wanted to duplicate them. It means through the same way they wanted to go. वो वहाँ उसी रास्ते से जाना चाहते थे for the longest time. और yes, सबसे लंबे टाइम का था. Mary and I, Mary that Jonathan, this wife of the narrator, or you can say author. I, a 37-year-old businessman, age of the businessman is 37 years. He 37 years ka tha, and his wife had dreamt of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer. So famous explorer means Captain James Cook, who discovered this route, जिसने इस route को discover किया था. In his respect, actually, they want to repeat this one. इसको दोबारा duplicate करना चाहते थे, इसी पे जाना चाहते थे. And for the past 16 years, we had spent all our leisure time. उनने जो भी whatever free time they were having, they spent. It means they prepared. Sometimes there may be a question: how did they prepare for the journey? Sea voyage. It means for continuously for 16 years, and they spent the time for improving their time for honing or seafaring skill. Honing, improving. Honing means improving. Say seafaring skill, it is one sort of navigation, controlling. Navigation means controlling the this one aeroplane or ship, or you can say boat. It was in the British water. In the British water, whatever roughest weather they could get, they go for practice. For continuously 16 years, they practiced there. 16 years तक वहाँ पर उन्होंने practice की, and because they wanted to go for the longest time and to duplicate the same journey which was once taken by Captain James Cook 200 years ago. जो 200 years ago Captain James Cook ने जो journey की थी, they wanted to repeat the same. वो repeat करना चाहते थे. और boat wave walker, उनकी जो boat, that is the name of the wave walker. Sometime the wave walker, there can be a question description, describe the wave walker, boat, the wave walker. Wave walker, a 23 meter long, means the length is 23 meter, 30-ton wooden hull beauty, and wooden means 30-ton wooden is used to make it so beautifully, and had been professionally built, means that wave walker is made very beautifully, skillfully, using 30 tons of wood. 30 टन लकड़ी लगाकर उसको बहुत अच्छे से बनाया गया था. And we had spent months, और उसमें months लगे थे by making it. We had spent months लगे थे, and fitting it out, उसको fit करने में. Fitting it out means making, means different part, installation of different parts and all, छोटे-छोटे जो उनके part थे fit करने के लिए. And testing it in the roughest weather we could find. और जितना भी roughest weather they could find in the British Sea, जो भी उनमें मिल सकता था उनमें British Sea में, British और British Sea में, they are on different rough condition to assess the strength, उसकी जो capability थी, उसकी strength थी, strongness, to assess that one, they tested it, उसको test किया था. In this one, roughest weather they could find. The first leg of her planned journey, 3 years, जो 3 years की थी, total it will take 3 years planned journey, and one leg 5 kilometer, journey passed pleasantly. उनकी जो 105 किलोमीटर की that journey it passed very pleasantly. बहुत ही pleasantly मतलब pass हो गई थी without much trouble, without any problem. Before and we as we sailed down the west coast of the Africa to Cape Town. अफ्रीका से वेस्ट कोस्ट की तरफ जब कैप टाउन की चलने लगे मीन दैट जर्नी इट वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, इट वाज वेरी क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल, दे वर नॉट फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम एंड देन देयर बिफोर हेडिंग टू ईस्ट, ईस्ट की तरफ चलने के लिए वहां से फ्रॉम द कैप टाउन एंड वी टू टू क्रू मेंबर, टू सेलर्स, दो और नाविक ले लिए, दो जो ट्रेन थे वहां पर एंड अमेरिकन लैरी विजिल्स जो अमेरिकन था एंड द स्विस हर्ब सीजलर, these are the name of two these sailors, ये जो दो crew members थे, these are the name, one is from American and another one is from the Australia. American, those who taken and to help us to tackle one of the world roughest sea, one of the world roughest, सबसे rough sea होता है, roughest here means movement in the sea, जो समुद्र में ज्यादा हलचल होती है. See the southern Indian, that is southern Indian Sea, that is the main roughest weather sea considered up to. Okay, out of these all, because up to this time they were leading a very pleasant life, pleasant journey. But because they were expecting that some sort of problem certainly would come during this journey, में उनको बहुत सी problem आएंगी. That's why they hired these two crew members. उन्होंने दो crew member को ले लिया. Our second day out of the Cape Town से second day out हुए we began to encounter strong gales actually very strong wind over the sea. Gales उनको बोलते हैं जो समुद्र के ऊपर से बहुत तेज हवाएं चलती. And for the next few weeks, अगले कुछ weeks के लिए they blew continuously, means that gales they continued. ये जो हवाएं चल रही थी समुद्र के ऊपर से it continued for a few weeks, कुछ weeks के लिए चलती रही. Gale did not worry me. इन गेल से हवाओं से कोई ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. But the size of the wave was alarming. लेकिन because of that movement, because of that gales and all, the size of the waves, जो waves लहरें थी उनका जो it was alarming, very dangerous, काफी dangerous था. Up to 15 meters, as high as our main mast. इतनी high था जितना और main mast means main pole which supports the this one boat, जो इसको बोट को सपोर्ट करता है, दैट इज मेन मास्ट, जो एक पोल होता है. इतनी हाइट तक की दैट वेव्स एंड ऑल यूज्ड टू बी देयर इन द सी, उस समुद्र में होती थी. December 25th found us 35 किलोमीटर ईस्ट ऑफ कैप टाउन. हम 3500 किलोमीटर वी वर ईस्ट ऑफ कैप टाउन के ईस्ट साइड में से हम 25 दिसंबर. एंड डिस्पाइट atrocious means very troublesome weather, dangerous weather, we had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree. Christmas tree के साथ we celebrated our Christmas day. Christmas day on board, on the boat only it was celebrated, वहाँ पर celebrate किया. New Year day saw no improvement in the weather. New Year maybe there was no improvement. It means up to after 25th for 5-6 days continued in the same condition. It means the strong wind or the gale was blowing. Okay, strong gale were blowing, and now up to New Year day saw no improvement in the weather. But we reasoned that it has to change soon. But we calculated that certainly when we move further, जब हम आगे जाएंगे, certainly the weather will change. Weather change होगा. And and it did change. और वो change भी हुआ. It did change, but for the worst. And it has become worst. उससे भी बदतर हो गया. उससे भी खराब weather हो गया. Now at dawn on January 20, dawn and dusk, these are the particular times. इनको time बोलते हैं. Dusk, dawn, early in the morning, सुबह, सवेरा, before sunrising. Sunrise से पहले whatever light is there, that time is known as a dawn. And dusk in the morning after sunset before it becomes dark. और in evening में dark होने से पहले, जब अंधेरा होने से पहले, after sunset, whatever the light is there during that is called dusk, TUS. And the wave were gigantic, बहुत ही gigantic, काफी बड़ी बड़ी waves थी. And we were sailing with only a small storm jib, एक छोटी जिप के साथ. Actually these jibs are used to control the speed of the boat. इसकी बोट की स्पीड कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. And we're still making 8 knots. Actually these are the unit of speed in the sea. सी के अंदर जैसे ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड ऑल इन द एयर with kilometer per hour we count that is the unit for the speed, but in the sea it is knots. Okay, nautical miles we can say, nautical miles. And as the ship rose to the top of each wave, जैसे ही हमारा ship it goes to the top of the each wave, हर एक wave के ऊपर जाता, we could see the endless enormous sea, endless ना खत्म होने वाला, enormous very big sea, हमें बहुत बड़ा और ना खत्म होने वाला only sea, only water was we could see, केवल देख सकते थे. And that was rolling towards us, it was coming because of the movement in the sea, because of the gauge, उन गेल्स के कारण, उसके कारण द वेव्स दीज वर कमिंग टुवर्ड्स अस, वो हमारी तरफ आ रही थी, रोलिंग टुवर्ड्स अस. एंड द स्क्रीमिंग ऑफ द विंड, और विंड की स्क्रीमिंग, क्राइंग आवाज, साउंड. एंड द स्प्रे, एंड द स्प्रे व्हाटएवर द स्प्रे मीन द बिकॉज सम ड्रॉप्स एंड ऑल इट कम्स विद द विंड, हवा के साथ जो भी ड्रॉप्स वाटर इट कम्स, उसकी जो बौछार थी was painful to the ear, हमारे लिए painful थी because of the speed and all. Now it is very painful to the ears, कानों के लिए भी painful थी. To slow down the boat, and because it was very wind was blowing very strongly, बहुत ही तेज हवा चल रही थी, and to drop down the speed, अब speed और भी drop करने के लिए we drop the storm jib, हमने storm jib को drop कर दिया, so that our speed it will be reduced, जिससे हमारी speed reduce हो जाए. And last a heavy mooring rope in the loop across the stern. और stern उसके जो बैक साइड में we moved the ropes and all, रोप को उन्होंने बांध दिया. Last टाई करना, heavy mooring rope, mooring nylon ropes, बांध दिया था. In loop, loop बना दिए थे, so that whenever the waves strike directly it should not hit the boat, boat को ना hit करे, to avoid any damage to the बोट को डैमेज अवॉइड करने के लिए, so that any sort of strike of the waves it will be obstructed by this rope, and जो rope लगाई थी वो उसमें रुक जाएगा. After, and then we doubled last everything tight, doubled, उसने डबल कर दी थी. And through drill all the tests जो भी है, like हमने कर ली. Don't skin that what actually the pressure is also filled up in that, उनमें pressure भी होता है, so that in case the boat sank, अगर वो boat डूब जाती है, so that they will float on the water, वो पानी के ऊपर float करते, तैर लेंगे. That is known as the life saving jackets and all. Life saving jackets and waited, means they were all ready for the all this life saving drills and all life saving equipment, they are test, अपने आप को test कर दिए, and they were ready to face the dangerous waves and all whatever was there in the sea, जो भी sea में dangerous खतरनाक waves थे, and they were ready to face any sort of trouble, किसी भी तरह का trouble के लिए they were ready, तैयार कर रहे थे, wait कर रहे थे. The first indication of impending disaster came at about 6 p.m. 6 बजे के करीब in the evening. The first indication, hint of impending disaster, impending coming disaster, means coming problem, and came at about 6 p.m. We sensed something that is going to be now change. अब change होगा. We then ominous silence. With that ominous silence means complete silence, that is before any disaster. Disaster से पहले जो भी कोई complete silence होती है, शांति, तूफान से पहले की शांति. The wind dropped, हवा की speed कम हो गई, and the enormous cloud towered aft, और enormous cloud, बड़े बड़े enormous big in size cloud towered moved between aft of the ship, शिप के बैक साइड में दिखाई दे रहे. एंड विद द हॉरर, उनकी आवाज के साथ, आई रियलाइज दैट इट वाज नॉट ए क्लाउड, मैंने रियलाइज किया ये क्लाउड नहीं थे, बट अ वेव. मीन इट वाज दिस वाज ए वेव, बट इट वाज लुकिंग लाइक ए क्लाउड. एक वेव थी जो क्लाउड की तरह दिखाई दे रही, बट ए वेव like no other I had ever seen, इस तरह की वेव आई हैव नेवर सीन इन लाइफ, इस तरह की वेव उसने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं देखी थी। इट अपीयर्ड परफेक्टली वर्टिकल, वो बिल्कुल वर्टिकल, वर्टिकल 90 डिग्री, एंड ऑलमोस्ट ट्वाइस द हाइट ऑफ द अदर वेव्स, और जो दूसरी वेव थी इट वाज जस्ट ट्वाइस ऑफ दैट हाइट, उनकी हाइट से ट्वाइस डबल थी, दो गुना, with the frightful breaking crust and the sound it was coming, breaking crust and all, टूटने की जैसे कोई आवाज आ रही थी, it was making a sound, एक आवाज कर रही थी। crest means top portion, crest means top portion, ऊपर की आवाज कर रही थी। okay, let's see the participants 17 to 15, yes, Mayank, Palak, Steve, Tanya, Tanu, Vans, Yadip, Yatin, Ujjwal. Ujjwal I think is very regular student. Okay, 15. Yes. Okay, up to this time it means 25th and up to first there was absolutely no problem. They reached 35 kilometer of east of Cape Town. Cape Town they stay 35 kilometer तक पहुंच गए थे and there was no change. But certainly they were expecting a change. वो expect कर रहे थे and it was there was a change, और change हुआ भी था, but it was for the worst. और उससे भी बदतर होने लगा था। The strong wind started blowing, हवा तेज चलने लगी, and with the all the spray it was very painful to the ears. जो भी स्प्रे आ रही थी उनके साथ जो बौछारें आ रही थी, these were very painful to the ears, ears के लिए काफी painful थी। Now they were ready to face, they made all the preparations, उन्होंने सारी preparation कर ली, all life jacket, life saving drill and all they gone through, उनके सारी जो भी attach करना था, whatever the lifeline attachment and all that was done, वो जितने भी सारी, and they were waiting for that. And now all of a sudden they heard something, black clouds and all, look like a black cloud, ऐसा लग रहा था black cloud है, but no, it was a wave, ये एक wave थी, and it was looking like a mountain, एक तरह की ऐसी लग रहे थे, it was a cloud, it will be a big cloud, and it was coming very fast with a huge speed and all, there was a lot of noise of breaking crust, proportion जैसे कोई टूट रहा हो, something break, something is breaking in that, that type of sound it was coming from there, वहां से इस तरह की आवाज आ रही, it means the wave was very high, it was double, he had never seen such a huge wave in his life, अपनी जिंदगी में उसने इतनी बड़ी वेव नहीं देखी। The roar increased to a thunder as the storm moved up the face of the wave, up the face of the wave, जैसे स्टार्टिंग में फेस स्टार्टिंग, उसके वेव के ऊपर हमारी बोट गई, the roar increased, उसकी जो आवाज थी, साउंड थी, that increased as the storm moved, storm means that bottom portion, it moved up, जैसे ही ऊपर गया जो storm bottom portion it moved up back, जो ऊपर की तरफ गया, and for a moment I thought that we might ride over, थोड़ी देर के लिए तो मैंने सोचा था we might ride over, हम शायद इसके ऊपर से निकल जाएंगे, but then a tremendous explosion shook the deck, लेकिन जो टॉप पोर्शन में एक tremendous explosion, एक शॉक लगा वहां पर, एक धमाका सा हुआ, a torrent of green and white water, एक torrent means gust, पूरा पानी का बहाव, of the green and white water broke over the ship, शिप के ऊपर टूट कर गया, means the water came over the ship, and my head smashed into the wheel, उसका जो हेड था वो it stuck to the wheel, जो स्टीयरिंग व्हील था, कंट्रोलिंग व्हील था, it stuck to, and I was aware of flying overboard and sinking below the wave, I was aware, मुझे पता था, flying overboard कि मैं बोर्ड overboard मतलब उसके ऊपर मैं फ्लाइंग कर रहा था, and sinking below the waves, और वेव के नीचे मैं सिंक हो रहा था, मींस वेव इट वाज सो हाई, आई वाज सिंकिंग ओवर दैट, मैं मुझे लग रहा था मैं डूब रहा हूँ, I accepted my approaching death, तो मैंने अपनी approaching death को accept कर लिया था, because there was no chance to come out from such a huge wave, इतनी बड़ी वेव से ऊपर आने का कोई मतलब उसको वो लग नहीं रहा था, and as I was losing conscious, जैसे वो बेहोश हो रहा था, I felt quite peaceful, मुझे बहुत ही peaceful लग रहा था, means now he has left all the efforts, he was feeling just like to that his end was near, कि उसका end अब नजदीक आ रहा है, he was not trying anything because the size of the wave it was very huge, बहुत ही बड़ा size था, unexpectedly, and he was not expecting this one, इस तरह की expectation नहीं थी, my head popped out of the water, उसका head पानी के बाहर आया, popped out of the water, पानी से बाहर आया, and a few meters away, थोड़ी सी दूर उसने कुछ मीटर away, and he saw wave walker was near capsizing, उसकी वेव वाकर, उसकी जो बोट थी, दैट वाज कैपेसाइजिंग, सिंकिंग, डूबने वाली थी, and her mast almost horizontal. Her mast it always remains vertical, but it was almost horizontal. It means it was about to sink in the water, पानी में डूबने वाली. And then a wave hurled her upright, and the another wave come from opposite side, and it held it straight. इसको फिर दोबारा सीधा कर दिया. And my lifeline jerked taut, और जो उसकी लाइफलाइन जैकेट दैट वाज अटैच, वो उसकी जो लाइफलाइन थी जो अटैच हुई थी, जर्क, उसमें झटका लगा. आई ग्रैब द गार्ड एंड ग्रैब, उसने गार्ड को पकड़ा, गार्ड दैट ओवर द बोट, जो बोट के ऊपर गार्ड लगे हुए थे, रेलिंग एंड ऑल. ही ग्रैब्ड इट and sailed through the air into the wave walker. Sailed through the air, अपने आप को jump किया into the wave walker. Wave walker ने अपने आप को jump किया. Grab the and wave walker main boom, and the main boom main controlling portion. Subsequent wave, और एक दूसरी wave आई that tossed me around the deck, और जो deck जो उसका bottom post था, tossed me, lifting, tossed me lifting like a very light object, एक छोटे से हल्के object की तरह tossed, like a rag doll. Rag doll, which is example is given. Rag doll means very light item, very light, उसको हल्का सा महसूस करते हुए. He was tossed here and there because of the wave, उस wave ने. And my left ribs cracked, उसकी जो left rib थी that cracked. My mouth filled with blood, उसका mouth blood से भर गया था. Broken teeth, he might have broken his teeth, उसका शायद teeth टूट गया था. Somehow I found the wheel, और किसी तरह से somehow he managed to reach the wheel. Wheel means controlling wheel, उस controlling wheel पर पहुंच गया. Lined up the stern, lined up means making it straight, उसको straight करने के लिए कोशिश की. And for the next wave and hung on, mean waiting for the next wave to come. Next wave के लिए he tried to make it straight, उसको straight करने की कोशिश की. And hung on means continue. Water everywhere. Now after this wave, the boat was full of water, पूरा पानी भर गया था. I could feel that the ship had water below. मैं फील कर रहा था कि below भी water होगा. Below means in the below portion, in the below compartment. But I dared not to abandon the wheel. Abandon means he wanted to find out whether there is a bottom. At the bottom also there is a water or not. But he could not leave the steering wheel. वो नहीं छोड़ पा रहा था steering wheel to investigate, to find out. Suddenly the front hatch was thrown open, और अचानक front hatch, सामने का hatch खुला. And Mary appeared. Mary, his wife appeared. वो आई. And we are sinking. She screamed. उसने scream, चिल्ला कर कहा, we are sinking, हम डूब रहे हैं. The decks are smashed, और जो deck, जो top portion है, smashed, they smashed, strike something, किसी के साथ टकरा गए हैं. And we are full of water, पूरा पानी भरा हुआ है. Take the wheel, I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Scrambled, moving fast in a dangerous way. तेजी से जाना, just like a topmost danger. After feeling the danger वो करने के लिए, then he महसूस करते हुए, he went and he shouted that you take over the wheel. आप इसको wheel को संभालो. Larry and Hubs were pumping like a madman, and when he saw there, what did he see? That Mary and Hubs, जो दोनों crew थे, they were pumping the water like a madman. एक पागल की तरह पानी को बाहर निकाल रहे थे. Broken timbers, टूटी हुई लकड़ियां, hung at the crazy angles, मतलब इधर उधर पड़ी पड़ी थी. Crazy angles meaning different angles they were flying, and the whole starboard right side bulged inwards, अंदर की तरफ घुस गया था, अंदर की तरफ. It was just thrust inside because of the by striking of the waves. Wave strike होने के कारण that has been. It means that portion was damaged. वो portion damage हो गया था. And bulged inside, clothes, crockery, charts, tins, tiles, and the sloshed about the water. ये सब पानी में गीले हो चुके थे, भीग चुके थे. What are clothes, crockery? And I half swam, आधा मैं swim करके, and the half crawled. Crawled means moving onto the this elbows, elbow पर move करते हुए. I half crawled into the children cabin. Children की cabin में गया. Are you all right? I asked. मैंने पूछा भाई आप सब ठीक हो? Yes, they answered from the upper bunk, that portion, sleeping cabin. They answered yes. उन्होंने answer किया. But my head hurt a bit, said Sue. Sue ने कहा मेरे head में थोड़ी सी चोट लगी है. Pointing a big bump above the eyes, big bump, swelling portion above the eyes के ऊपर एक बड़ा सा swelling portion दिखाते हुए she hinted above the eyes. I had no time to worry about the bump head. मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं था कि I should worry about that bump head, उसके जो चोट लगी हुई थी. After finding a hammer, I tried to find out the hammer, screw, and all this page and all to block the hole from where the water was coming. जहाँ से पानी आ रहा था, to block that, to plug that hole, he needed something to be as a lock. lock की तरह चाहिए था. And canvas. I struggled back, वापिस फिर गया on the deck. Deck means again the and top portion. With the starboard side basked upon, जो starboard side उसका खुला हुआ था, and we were taking water and each wave with the broke over us. जो भी wave हमारे पास आती थी with water and all, we tried to put the water back. हम वापिस करते थे. If I could not make some repair, उसने सोचा if I not block this one, अगर मैं ये पानी रोकूंगा नहीं, then we would surely sink. हम अवश्य ही सिंक हो जाएंगे, डूब जाएंगे, अवश्य ही सिंक हो जाएंगे और डूब जाएंगे. Okay, student, let's once again up to we have already started the journey, means this narrator and all they already started journey. First few days they it was very comfortable. First day 25th December also they celebrated on the boat very comfortable. But certainly in the sea there is a movement always, because they started in July also, and July and all there is a lot of problem, lot of disturbance in the sea. Sea में बहुत disturbance होते हैं because of the strong wind and temperature and pressure. I think you know about something about the science and all. Okay, so they were facing, and when in the in Indian Sea it was the worst. That's why they took two crew members, Larry and this one Larry and one American sailor they took. जो American sailor थे, Larry and Herb, both to help them in the difficult condition. जो भी difficult condition थी उसमें help करने के लिए. Now a strong wind come. It was on I think 6 p.m. At about 6 p.m. 6 p.m. को the same a strong wave it came and struck against the wave and it was damaged. उसका कुछ portion damage भी हो गया था and water started coming in. And even the author or the narrator, rather you can say, who was controlling the boat, जो इसको control कर रहा था, he was thrown out of the boat. And once he has accepted his death also, he was just in a peace and he was not trying to save himself also, because he was sure that he could not come out. Then finally all of a sudden his mouth came up out of the water. उसका पानी एकदम पानी से उसका मुंह ऊपर आ गया, and he saw that his wave walker, that is boat, it was almost the mast was horizontal and it was capsizing, डूब रही थी. And immediately he came there, he tried to hold the guards and all, guard को पकड़ने की कोशिश की, and then he went into the steering wheel, tried to make it straight, and it became straight actually because of the opposite wave से it turned in other way, दूसरी तरफ से उसने turn कर दिया, and it became almost in the straight position. And then finally he controlled the, and he was sure that there is water, but Mary came and she told about the condition. And now Mary took over on the steering wheel. उसने steering wheel पर आकर Mary started controlling that, and he went inside. He saw that everywhere water was there, and both this Larry and Hubs, they were pumping out the water. वो pumping out कर रहे थे. And when he went into the cabin of the children, बच्चों की cabin में गया, and this he talked to them, and he saw that the shoe had some portion of the head, it was bulged out. उसका जो portion था, it was bumped. कुछ उसका bump हो गया था, and it was swelling. मतलब she might have got hurt. उसको hurt हो गई थी, and at this time he did not worry about that. He wanted to save them. उनको save करना चाहता था. Shoe pointing out a big bump, जो bump हुआ था उसके ऊपर. And after finding hammer, हथौड़ा type and all, and the screws and canvas plastic portion to lock the or to stop the flowing of water, the water which was flowing with a very fast speed and with every wave. हर wave के साथ जो पानी उसके अंदर आ रहा था, he tried to stop that one, because otherwise certainly they were going to die, or it was going to sink. And with the starboard means right side of this one, and the side based upon खुली हुई थी, open, and we were taking water with each wave that broke over us. जो भी वेव्स आती थी वो हमारे ऊपर, जो उससे पानी और अंदर आ जाता था। एंड इफ यू कुड नॉट मेक सम रिपेयर्स, अगर उसकी रिपेयर नहीं हुई, इट वाज डैमेज्ड, एक्चुअली इट वाज डैमेज्ड, दैट कोर्स स्टारबोर्ड साइड इट वाज डैमेज्ड एंड वी वुड श्योरली सिंक, हम जरूर ही सिंक हो जाएंगे अब अगर वो ऐसा नहीं। यस स्टूडेंट्स, up to here it's not a story, it is some adventurous story actually, and it is the autobiography as written. He has explained himself what condition, what was his condition during the sea voyage, इस समुद्र यात्रा में उसकी क्या condition थी, he explained in this. Okay, next portion we will do in the next period. Yes students, you can unmute them sir. Let me see what is the participants. 14 to 12, 15 it was there. Yes, yes students, and try to complete your work also side by side. Okay, Monday onwards I